Hey Divas, Kaden here, and welcome back to Chef It Up Fridays. On the menu, I'll be making some Jamaican steamed fish. So I'll be using pumpkin, bell peppers, onions, scallion, thyme, ginger, garlic, Irish potato, and some Jamaican water crackers. And also my snapper fish. I love my snapper fish. So first I went ahead, wash, clean, and season my fish. So to wash my, I have to clean my fish, because even though you buy it pre-cleaned, you still have to go ahead and get rid of those scales, especially at the tail end and the head. You don't want to be biting your fish and be biting scales. That's gross. So I went ahead, wash it in vinegar and lemon water, then pat it dry and add some avocado oil before seasoning. I use the avocado oil because that helps the season to stick more to my fish, and I don't like to use a lot of seasoning because my seasons, they're super salty. I got those from Jamaica, and trust me, they are salty. I don't know what they did to those, but they have a lot of salt. I use some pimento season, Maggie, some all-purpose, fish season, garlic powder, onion powder, complete season, and I'll put everything in the description. So I went ahead and seasoned my fish to perfection. Added some extra black pepper in the head because you want every crevices and corners to have some season. You don't want to cook your fish and can't enjoy it. You want to enjoy your fish. So that's why I didn't had too much season, because I don't want my food to be salty. So I went ahead, seasoned it, put it aside, and let it marinate. While my fish is marinating, I went ahead and started my vegetables. So I went ahead, cut up my onions, my different bell peppers, carrots, thyme, garlic, potatoes, pumpkins, and all the works. Here's one thing. In Jamaica, you can go to the grocery store or the market and ask for some nice rich pumpkin or curry pumpkin, or maybe you grow it in your own backyard, or you can ask your neighbor for some. Here in America, it's a hit or a miss. So what I did is I went ahead and I blend some of my pumpkin up and then add that mixture to my fish to get that nice pumpkin color. And Divas, it's time for cooking. So I went ahead and I preheat my pot, add my avocado oil, and then once that oil heats up, I started adding my vegetables. So I went in with my okras, carrots, pumpkin, potatoes, onions, scallion, thyme, and I left my bell peppers for last because I don't like when they cook out too much. I don't like the taste of it. So I leave it to cook for last. Once everything is in the pot, I started to stir because I don't want to burn anything. And in the beginning, you could see the oil popping all over the place because most of my stuff, they were in the freezer and I didn't want to thaw them before cooking them. So here you can see me adding my blended pumpkin to the pot, and then I'm gonna go ahead, add some water, let it cook a bit, add some season, and then add my fish. To add that extra burst of flavor and color to my pot, I went in with the Grace pumpkin flavored soup mix, and that's like a game changer for me. Now that my vegetables are halfway done, I'm going to go ahead and add my fish. And look how vibrant my broth, gravy, whatever you call it is. It looks so beautiful, already delicious. Now I'm going to go ahead and add both my fish. I'm going to put them in head and tail. I love to put my fish on my vegetables because I don't want it to be sticking in the pot. Then go ahead, use a spoon and add some of that gravy to the top of the fish. Cover it and let it steam. I'm going to go ahead, stir occasionally until it's done, or wiggle my pot to ensure that nothing is sticking because you don't want to burn your food. Look at those fish. You don't want to spoil it. trust me, don't mind the amount of water you see in my pot. Once I add those Jamaican crackers, they're gonna take everything up. And some persons like a lot of gravy, some don't, but I like to have at least some liquid on my fish. Right here you can see me adding a Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, I did went ahead add some Scotch bonnet pepper. I added to get like the flavor, not the taste, because I cook not just for me and my husband, but for me, my husband, and my 2 daughters, and they love themselves some fish. So I don't want to put like burst the pepper in the pot and then they can't eat it because they don't eat spicy food. So I went ahead add the pepper just for the flavor, and then going with my bell peppers. As I said earlier, I leave my bell peppers for last because I don't like when it cooks out too much. I like it to I don't like the taste of it. I just like it to be blanched. Then I went in, add my Jamaican water crackers, and this is the final step to my dish. Add my Jamaican water crackers. Went ahead, use a spoon to scoop some of that gravy up and add it to the crackers so that it can soak. Cover the pot, let it steam and simmer, and I'm gonna come back with the final result. And Divas, now it's time for the grand reveal. So I went ahead and served this up for my husband. I gave him a little bit of everything. So I went ahead and gave him a fish, some pumpkins, carrots, everything, including a lot of crackers because he loves himself some crackers. He loves himself some steamed fish, that is. And yeah. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. This doesn't just look delicious, it tastes delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. I enjoyed it. My kids and my husband enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.